Hey everyone, welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network, your go-to source for all things aircraft maintenance. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for avionics technicians, the 5 essential National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies, NCATT, Aircraft Electronics Technician, AET endorsements. If you're looking to specialize and advance your career, these endorsements are for you. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to note that you must successfully pass the AET certification before you're eligible to take any of these endorsements. Now let's break down the 5 essential NCATT AET endorsements, starting with Aircraft Electronics Installation. Number 1. Aircraft Electronics Installation, AEIT. This endorsement is perfect for technicians focusing on the installation of electronic systems in aircraft. The AEIT exam consists of 106 questions and you need a passing score of 70%. Mastering this endorsement ensures you can handle the complexities of installing and configuring aircraft electronics safely and effectively. With AEIT, you'll gain the expertise needed for seamless installations, making you an invaluable asset in the avionics field. Number 2. Autonomous Navigation Systems, ANS. This endorsement covers the principles and maintenance of systems that allow aircraft to navigate autonomously. The ANS exam includes 50 questions and the passing score is 70%. ANS certification prepares you to work with cutting-edge technology that's pivotal in modern aviation, ensuring aircraft can navigate with minimal human intervention. Number 3. Dependent Navigation Systems, DNS. This endorsement focuses on systems that rely on external signals and data for navigation. The DNS exam also consists of 50 questions with a required passing score of 70%. With DNS certification, you'll be adept at maintaining and troubleshooting systems that are crucial for accurate and safe navigation. Number 4. Onboard Communications and Safety Systems, OCS. This endorsement is essential for technicians who manage communication and safety systems on aircraft. The OCS exam comprises 50 questions with a passing score of 70%. OCS certification ensures you're proficient in maintaining the critical communication links and safety systems that keep flights operating smoothly and safely. Number 5. Radio Communication Systems, RCS. This endorsement focuses on radio communication systems used in aircraft. The RCS exam includes 50 questions, and you need a passing score of 70%. With RCS certification, you'll be qualified to manage and maintain the radio communication systems that are essential for air traffic control and in-flight communication. These 5 essential NCATT AET endorsements, AEIT, ANS, DNS, OCS, and RCS, equip you with specialized skills that are highly valued in the aviation industry. Each endorsement opens up new opportunities for career advancement and specialization. As of January 1st, 2022, all ASTM NCATT certifications and endorsements have a 5-year renewal. Get endorsed and updated so you can move up the ladder. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Drop a comment below letting us know which endorsement you're most interested in, if not all. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies.